So we got an image of the new Lego Harry Potter set Diagon Alley Weasley Wizard Wheezes. The sets should be coming out in August, respectively. And we got a little bit of an hourly build. We got a bunch of minifigures. We know Harry. We got Ron, Hermione, and Ginny, and the Weasley twins. The build for the building itself is pretty good. It worked well with modular. And we do have two other figures to go back around to that, and I just don't know who they are. Can't read the names on the box. So, yeah, but the build itself was pretty good. A lot of stickers. I'm going to point out that, like how many window pieces it has. It's kind of nice to get a lot more orange and lavender pieces because we don't get those too often. So tell me your thoughts of the set in the comment section below. Remember to like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you all next time. Goodbye.